Today I'm going to teach you a new recipe using our Tupperware PremiaGlass. So this recipe is called Baked Garlic Parmesan Salmon. Okay, so what are the ingredients? Of course, we have here garlic. We also have Parmesan cheese. We have mayonnaise. We have lemon. And also, of course, salt. And let's not forget the main ingredient, of course, salmon fillet, which I stored here inside my Tupperware PremiaGlass. So what's nice about this product? Of course, you're able to store your ingredients inside the refrigerator. There. Okay? And of course, we also have our cream cheese. Okay. So, basically, how do we begin? So to start, we will actually marinate the fish with lemon and salt. Okay, so I actually marinated this in advance already, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so I have my salmon fish fillet inside our Tupperware PremiaGlass. Okay, so we're going to put the lemon. Okay, so make sure that you're able to spread the lemon onto the surface of the fish, and maybe you can pat it also onto the sides, and then we're going to salt the salmon fillet. Okay, so what's nice about this the Tupperware PremiaGlass is that you can already marinate your fish in the same glass base. Okay, so there. So ideally you need to marinate the fish for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. So what's nice about this is it has this clip secure lid system, so which allows you to, of course, properly seal your fish inside this container, our Tupperware PremiaGlass, and then you can already put it in the ref for storage or for marination. Okay? Okay, so what we're going to do, since I already marinated this in advance, actually, we're going to put this already in the oven for maybe around 15 minutes until it's half baked, okay? And then we are going to prepare the cheesy topping, the garlic parmesan topping, okay? Okay, so now we are going to prepare our creamy garlic parmesan topping while our salmon fish is baking in the oven, okay? So what do we need? Of course, we need our cream cheese. So it's inside here my Tupperware crescendo bowl. We have here half a head of garlic. Okay, so it really depends on you if you want a little more, a little less. So depends on you, because actually I'm going to serve this for my kids later. So I actually just have here a few pieces. So it depends on you, but it's very important that you use garlic to have that very nice garlic taste. And then we have here Parmesan cheese, and then we also have real mayonnaise. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we are going to chop our garlic using our supersonic chopper, one of my favorite Tupperware innovations. So we're just going to put everything inside, and then we are going to chop it. Okay, I super love this product because you can actually do 288 knife strokes in just 15 seconds. So there. Okay, so it's nice and fine. Okay, so we're going to pour this in our bowl with the cream cheese. Okay, let's not waste some garlic. Okay, and then we are going to put our Parmesan. And then we are going to also pour in our mayonnaise. Okay, and then we are going to mix it with a spatula or with a spoon. So just make sure that you properly mix this. mix the cheesy topping. Okay. Okay, so you'll just wait for a few minutes until the salmon is half cooked, and then we're gonna put this on top later. Okay, our fish is half baked. Wow, look at that. Okay, so this is half cooked already. So it was baking for around maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And then we are going to put our creamy, cheesy, garlic Parmesan topping. Okay, so let's make sure that we're able to cover the entire surface of our fish. Okay, just pat it slowly. So look at our topping, the creamy garlic Parmesan topping. This is how it's supposed to look like. Okay, actually it's up to you. For the garlic, it would be better if it's really fine, so that the flavors will really come out. Okay, so just make it nice and thick. So some people really want their topping to be super duper thick like this. And then you can just flatten it to make it like look really restaurant like. Okay, there. Okay. Make sure it doesn't fall on the side. Okay. Okay, and then we actually have a little bit more of Parmesan here, so we can put a little more on top. Okay. There, just a little. Just a little more top, because I love Parmesan cheese. Who doesn't, right? Okay. So we're going to put this back in the oven. Okay. Okay, so we're going to prepare our sides for our fish. So I have here some corn can. So I'm going to put it in my Tupperware PremiaGlass. I'm going to put butter on top, and then I'm going to microwave this. Okay, of course, without the lid. Okay, see you later. Okay, it's done. So we already have here our finished product. This is our cheesy garlic Parmesan salmon. And then we also have here our corn, so which I microwaved for a minute. I put butter. Okay, so now we're mixing the butter in. So yummy. Then you can salt it also if you want. And then what we're going to do is we are going to put the corn around our fish. So good. So yummy. So perfect. Nice. There. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so this is our finished product. As you can see, we baked it again for another 10 minutes until the toppings is light and toasted and brown. And then we are going to serve it in our Tupperware PremiaGlass. So this is actually perfect already. So you can serve it in the same container as we baked it, since it's nice and glass material. And also if you have leftovers, you can actually just seal it with our clip secure lid system, and then you can put it inside the refrigerator, right? Okay, so just make sure that your baked salmon is nice and cool already before, of course, you put in the lid. Before you put it in the ref, of course, just like any food item, you want to make sure that it's cool before you put it in the ref, okay, especially for leftovers. And then when you want to reheat it again for another day, just pop it in the microwave and then serve it again, right? So isn't it wonderful? So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I want you to try out this recipe later today. Okay, so this is our creamy garlic Parmesan salmon. So we baked it inside our Tupperware PremiaGlass. So we were able to bake it inside the oven because it's made of borosilicate glass, of course. So it was able to withstand heat up to 300 degrees Celsius. And of course, it comes with a clip secure lid, allowing us to store it in the refrigerator or even in the freezer. And then also, it's nice and clear, of course, made of glass material, making sure we are able to see the food inside. So nice! So look at that, it's nice and baked. So easy. Thank you, Tupperware PremiaGlass. Look at that. Nice and juicy. So not dry at all. Very good.